Hi there, it's Jodi. I am here today to show you all of my projects for my Santa's Workshop event this year. This is definitely one of the best attended events that I do every year. Lots of people participate by mail because it's a great way to get some Christmas crafting done. So I want to show you the first class. This one is called Gifts Galore. And there are several different things. There's quite a variety in this particular class. So you'll make a couple of cute cards. You will do a decorative notebook. There's an accordion Christmas album. So let me find that here. So this is really fun. It folds out and out. And then this, let me see if I can get it to do it. Yep, just kind of flaps forward. So it comes out like this, and then on each of these is where you would mount or attach a photo. And so this is just a real easy little Christmas album that you can make and keep all of your favorite Christmas memories here and easily take it with you and share it with others. So that is this cute little twine goes around it. The next thing is a garland. This is, oh gosh, probably about total like 3 feet long. You can see I can't even get it all in, but it's just got some of those same pieces that you're seeing in the album and the notebook and the cards. It's got some of those same pieces here. So it's just this cute little garland you could hang across your mantle, or I'm sure lots of other places you could find in your home. And then there are these. They could be a treat box. There's actually little cellophane bags that you'll get with this kit. So you could put a little treat in there and give it to someone. Or you could set these on a shelf, on a table, wherever, and use them as Christmas decor as well. So the Gifts Galore class has quite a variety because you're doing some things that you could gift, some things that you could keep for yourself. There's lots of different pieces to the Gifts Galore class. So that class, like I said, just includes, I'm trying to not dump things as I move it, includes a lot of different pieces. All right, what should I show you next? Let's do the tags. So this is the Christmas tags, and let me show you all the things here. So you get some different colors of twine, you get a shaded spruce ink spot, you get an acrylic block, and then you also, some glue dots, and then you also get this photopolymer stamp set. So all of that is part of what you get with the Christmas tags class. And then you make these 9 tags. So there's 3 each of 3 different designs to get you your 9 total. And then on the back is where you can write your to and from. I actually probably have a to and from. Oh, there's a to and from stamp right in your set. So we can add that on the back here too and stamp that so it's ready to go. So these are pretty big tags. I mean, you can see in relation to my hand, it pretty much covers the whole palm of my hand. So there's some nice big tags, 3 each of 3 designs. So 9 tags total, acrylic block, ink spot, twine, glue dot, stamp set. All of that is part of the Christmas tags class. The next one is the gift card holders. And for this, you're doing 3, a set of 3. Let me find one of each. And you get the envelopes with it, so you'll be all set. But you do the set of 3 of these gift card holders. And what's nice is that it's a card, but then when you open it, it's got this fun little pocket that's the perfect size. And one of them, this might be the one. Yeah. I have an old gift card that I had from Stampin' Up. So it's a perfect size for a gift card, fits right in there nicely. Cute little sentiment on the side. And so you're ready to go with your presentation of a gift card. So these, you make one of each of these for $5, actually. I didn't mention the other prices. You can see all of that detail in the event right here. If you just click on events, you'll get all the details. Okay, let's go to the card keeper. This is just amazing. You're going to be blown away by this. I know that you are. So this kit creates 12 cards. So you're going to do 6 cards like this. can see the little gems on there. There's no stamping here. So I'm just assembling, putting the different pieces on the card front. It has a cute coordinating envelope. You get 6 of those, and then you make 6 of these. Again, I'm just adding some of the layers and the greeting. It's got a fun envelope that coordinates too, so you end up with 12 cards. I like this because I could see this being a more masculine card. Obviously, you could put some of the fun sequin, sparkly gems on there and make it a little girlier if you wanted to, but this is a great, simple, masculine card. Now, the highlight of this, yes, you get 12 cards, you make the 12 cards, but this card keeper is what is just amazing. So let me quick measure here. It is 8 inches by 10 inches. So it's a pretty significant size. You open it up. You'll add the stickers here for each month. I think, yep, I just did January, but you'll add the stickers. You've got a pocket here. You've got a pocket here. So if you have someone that has a birthday, January 20th, you would write their name there, make your card, and just stick it right in the pocket so it's ready to go. And you have that all the months of the year. Just stick a card. You know, sometimes we make a really special card for someone. We've got some cute gnomes. Maybe you have a friend or a relative who loves gnomes, and so you're going to make her a birthday card with gnomes. You can get that made and get it in the right pocket so it's ready to go when her birthday rolls around. There's nice pockets on the inside and back cover too, so you can keep some other things handy. Maybe you want to keep some postage stamps in there, or you know, whatever is handy to keep there. But this is just so nice to have this organized like this. What's also pretty cool is that if you look here, let me see if I'm showing I don't know how well that'll focus, but there's a lot of space here. So it's not like when you get those cards in, it's not going to, it's going to be like awkward. Like there's a lot of space in here. This is a big spiral binding so that you can really fill this up with some cards and have it look great. Okay, so you get the keeper. You make 6 of these and 6 of these. So all of that is the card keeper class. Again, it's great for yourself, but gosh, that would be an amazing gift to give to someone as well. Okay, this one is the Santa cards. So I only have 4 of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get more. It was a paper pumpkin kit, and sometimes we get more like refills that are available, and sometimes we don't. So as of right now, I only have 4 of these. So I'm going to try to pull them in without that glaring light. But I've got photos where you can see each of the cards in the event, and you're going to make 3 of each. You're going to get this adorable stamp set that you can use on any projects that you would like. And then you also get an early espresso ink spot. So you get all of that in the Santa cards class. So you end up making 9 cards, and you take home the photopolymer stamp set and the ink spot. Those are just super cute, fun cards. Okay, what do I still need to show you? I think the only thing I have to show you is the box of cards. Now this is one. This is going to be your go-to coworker gift, neighbor gift, you know, scout leader, dance teacher, coach, all of those things where you need a little gift, where you just need to let somebody know at Christmas time that you appreciate them, that you're thinking about them. This box of cards is going to be your go-to gift. So here I am going to mention the prices because you can do one set where you make the box and it's got 6 cards. One set is $15, but if you do 2 sets, it's only $25. So you're saving a little bit if you go ahead and do 2 sets. So this is the first card. This is new product that's actually a sneak peek from our mini catalog that's coming up in the new year. So gorgeous, gorgeous colors and papers and just really fun fonts on these greetings. I love this stuff. So here is one card. You're making 6 different cards. And this, like the only stamping you're doing on here is the greeting. The only stamping you're doing here is the greeting. This one, you're stamping the greeting and you're stamping these flowers and doing a little bit of coloring with the Stampin' Blends alcohol markers. This one here is actually just stamping the greeting. This is cut out from the designer paper. But are you noticing all these frames? Gorgeous new dies with those frames. This one here, you're doing a little stamping on the background. You see those tone-on-tone flowers? And then the greeting, and then this one. So you're going to make one of each of these cards, 6 cards total. You get the decorative box with the ribbon. Envelopes are in there, of course. This is going to be a great gift this Christmas season. So those are my 6 classes this year for Santa's Workshop. Register as soon as possible. The classes, again, in the event, there are classes on November 16th and 17th, so check the times. There's a variety of times a day, so you can choose the one that works best for you. And keep in mind that any of these can be done to go. So whether you're local and you just can't come to the class and you want to pick up your kit and do it on your own, maybe you need me to mail it to you. Of course, I have to charge for that postage, but I can easily mail you this too. One like this, you're going to have to provide your own stamps and ink. But like I said, the majority of these cards are just stamping the greeting. And so you'll easily be able to substitute other words if you need to. So all of them are really easy to do by mail. So if that's what you need to do, go ahead and sign up and just let me know that that's the option you're choosing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Like I said, get registered as soon as possible. And I hope to see lots of you in a few weeks for Santa's Workshop. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.